In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first just open messages, click on Start Chat to open some area where you can input text, and as you can see currently we are set up with English letters. Whenever you would like to change it, tap on Settings icon, select Languages, and now click on Add Keyboard. Then select the language that you would like to apply, click on Done, remove unnecessary language. Let's go back, and as you can see from now on you've got this brand new included here, right in front of you. So you can simply write in Russian now. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.